Hey y'all, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this absolutely adorable and easy ghost ornament. This is a collaboration with my friend V from Tapstick Design, who also has a quick and easy Halloween craft for you. I will link to her down in the description box and in the comments. Alrighty, y'all, so what do I have here? I have a handful of things. First off, I have these little witch hats and brooms. Now, this came as a set, and I got these on Amazon. So if you would, please look in the description box and in a pinned comment. I'm going to have a link for you to where you can get this set. As you can see, you get a good amount. You get the gray, black, some purple, and orange, and then you get a little set of brooms. We're also going to be using some styrofoam balls here. These came from the Dollar Tree. These are 48 millimeter, but you use whatever size you like. I just thought that these would be a good size to use with the little hats. I also have some cheesecloth. Now, where can you get this? If you can't find this in your grocery store or like over in the food preparation section of Walmart, look over in the fabric section, okay? Because usually my Walmart carries this over with, the canning supplies, but they didn't have it. I had to go over to the craft section and get it in this little pack. I have that. I have this little tube of puff paint. You can get that at any craft store. That came from Walmart. And some of this ribbon from Dollar Tree. Now, this is so incredibly simple. First off, we're going to take one of these little styrofoam balls here. And then we're also going to take this cheesecloth. Let me open it up. So I've got the cheesecloth out. I'm just going to cut a piece here. I know I should be measuring this a little bit better, but it's okay. For the purpose of the video, I'm just going to do it this way. Okay, and then we're going to unfold it like so. And I need a little scrap piece of ribbon or something to tie around, because we're going to take this. There's a little bit of ribbon. We're going to take this in our styrofoam ball here. Let's try to unfold that. And just pull it down just like so. So simple so far, right? Oops. Stay in frame, Amber. Just kind of wrap it around like that. And now we're going to take just a piece of string or a really thin piece of ribbon, what have you. And we're just going to tie a knot just to hold it together. Okay. So now we have our basic little ghost shape. Now let's pick out which witch hat. Y'all know I'm going to pick a purple one. Y'all know that. And let's determine which part that we want to be the front. And then we're just going to use our trusty hot glue gun here, which I hope is heated up. I think it's going to be enough. Stop it. Come on, glue. It's not as hot as it should be, but it's going to be all right. And then let's just put the hat right there. Okay. Is this ribbon... Okay, this ribbon right here is like just barely glued on there. I'm probably going to have to reinforce that with a little bit more glue. But we have that. Okay. So now let's get our puff paint here, and we're going to use this just to paint on some eyes. Where's my trusty raggedy piece of paper towel here? There we go. You don't have to use puff paint if you don't want to. You can use regular acrylic paint or marker, what have you. This is just what I have on hand. I'm just going to put 2 blobs for the eyes, like that, and just smooth it down a little. And now we need to let this paint dry a little bit. Okay, now this paint is most definitely not dried. But anyway, I just tied a little bow out of that ribbon, and now let us hot glue that down to his neck. Like so, just a little extra something, something. I'm always giving stuff a little extra something, something. So there's that. And now I'm going to, whoa. Please don't mess this up. So now let's open up these brooms here and get one out. And should I put a bow on the broom? I don't rightly know. Let's see, kind of flatten that down a little bit. And I'm just going to put some glue on the broom and glue that down to here. All right, so I just found these. I forgot that I had these little plastic spiders. No, these came from Walmart. I got them there last year. Of course, they carry these things all the time, every year. You can find these everywhere. So we're just gonna put, stop it, a little bitty blob of hot glue on that. Can y'all see this? A little blow. My battery on my phone here is dying. Hold on, let me hit that. I'm acknowledging that you're dying. I'm gonna put a little spider right there. Just to get a little extra something, something. All right, there we go. Okay. Now that's cute. Now how do we hang it? I'm gonna use this black ribbon right here that I use to tie around his little throat. And I'm going to hot glue it. Now, these hats here, like I said, they're made out of felt, but the felt is very thick. Now, you could take a needle if you wanted to. Thread this through a needle and then run it up through the hat and through the top if you wanted to. It's going to take a sturdy needle. I just don't happen to have one of those at this exact moment. So what I'm going to do is I just took that ribbon and I just tied a loop. I have got paint and glitter and stuff all over me. Goodness gracious. And let's just... I'm just going to put a blob of glue here, and I'm just going to glue it to the back of the hat. Does it look as nice as if we would have run it up through the middle? No. Oh my gosh, my hands are shaking. Y'all, I did not get much sleep last night. I've not been sleeping very well, and then I drink enough coffee during the day to kill a person. So, but anyway, here you go. Here's our cute little ghosty witch ornament. Like I said, this video is going to be very short, sweet, to the point, and I hope that you enjoyed it. So if you would, please give this video a thumbs up, click subscribe, check me out on other forms of social media, the links to all of which will be in the description box down below, and I will see y'all next time. Bye!